Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. Office developer this time.
And here is the shortlist: AFI Europe, Citrus, Global World, GTC, Forte Partners, Imo Finance, Julius Group, One United Properties, Portland Trust, River Development, and Tiriac Imobiliare.
Office Developer is sponsored by CTP, and from CTP, a few words from Anna Dumatrak. One more time.
Anna, how are you? Good to see you, and thanks for sponsoring this award.
Thank you to join SEE Awards again, even if this year in a reinvented form, and looking forward to joining it in person the next year. Curious who is the winner of the CTP-sponsored award, the Office Developer of the Year, because we also love office, not only logistics. Regards from the clean and safe CTP Bucharest office.
Okay, yeah, well, thank you for sponsoring this award. And let's just see who has won this exciting award of Office Developer of the Year.
The winner is Tiriac Imobiliare.
So, congratulations, and
From Tiriac, I believe we have Razvan and Anne.
welcome, Razvan, and congratulations.
Hello everyone. Thank you, members of the jury, that you voted us and you really appreciate our project, and also to add more weight on our shoulders. Fortunately, this is no more a virtual estate. It's a baby about to be born, and this prize is dedicated to a fantastic team of Tiriac Real Estate, and also to our designers, to our clients, and yes, these guys did a great job. They resurrect this project and make it work. Thank you again, and see you next year.
Well, congratulations, thank you, and for joining us, and enjoy the rest of the evening. And your award is right here, and Mihaela Mazalescu will bring it to you personally in Romania.